also just want to say, yes, there is something on my face. That is called the outline of the mask I'm going to be doing for this video. So as you can tell by the title, I am doing the Never Would I Ever Makeup Challenge, which Nikki Tutorials created, and I thought, let's do the mask that she created for Halloween a month ago. Yeah, a bit late, but whatever. So if you guys want to see what I end up creating and how well this goes, or if I even succeed in this, then keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to be doing my brows. So this is the L'Oreal Brow Pomade, and it comes with a little brush, and I literally absolutely adore this brush. I think I've said it in my videos before, I hate fluffy eyebrow brushes, and this is just so, like, precise. 2 weeks ago, I've never used a brow pomade, so I'm not 100% used to using pomade. I usually use powder or like a waxy kind of pencil. Maybe I'm just going to stab the pot. Okay, I think that will do. I absolutely love this product for it being drugstore. It's quite good quality. It's just a little bit sheer, needs a bit of building. Okay, so now to carve the eyebrow. I don't usually do this, but because it's so bold and this whole thing is just like a mask, I think I probably should. That'd be a good idea, I reckon. This is the NYX HD Studio Concealer. It's hot, it's humid, I'm dying in this room. Anyway, no one cares. This is the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Primer, and I'm obviously going to put this on my eyelid. I'm not putting this on my lips or on my eyebrows or on my actual eyeball, because that'd be problematic to eyeshadow. So I've just primed, and now I have no idea what the heck I'm going to use. So, YOLO, let's just choose a colour and go in with it, because I have no idea. I probably will take Wishlist like I did in my Colourpop video, because it's kind of the peachy colour that would look really nice under a cranberry. Oh, it looks so good already. So that's enough of that palette for now. I'm going to move on to, I think, maybe this crap NYX eyeshadow palette. But saying that, I absolutely love the freaking foundations, powders, eyebrow products, and everything else. I just feel like drugstore eyeshadows in general, like L'Oreal, NYX, Maybelline, Rimmel, I hate them all. I just really do. They don't work. So that's why I spend a lot on my eyeshadows. I think what we will do is take a combination of Rusty Red over here and Pinkie Pie over here. That's actually not their names, but that's the names I'm giving them. They don't actually have any. Let's see if this even does anything. It's just making it look more pink. Rusty Red. Let's just apply some Rusty Red over the top here. Yep, that will do. That's enough of that eyeshadow palette. Now using this Morphe palette, and I'm going to address some controversy. So, what's his face? James Charles released his artistry palette. Artistry, that is not artistry in my opinion, but that's just me. And then a girl got hives and eyelids stained from the pink shade. I mean, I understand her eyelid getting stained, but the hives really concerned me. And then also he was asked if he double swatched his swatches, and again, I'm on his side for that, but overall, I would not buy that palette, not at all, because this palette is literally the exact same, but has more colours and variations, like light green to dark green, light pink to dark pink, a hot yellow, a deep blue, shimmers, a black, a white, like tan. It's literally the same colour, and James Charles' palette cost 20 more Aussie dollars, or even more than that, I'm not 100% sure, but you're getting the exact same thing. So, Pinkity Drinkity, is that the name? No, that's wrong. Chicory, close enough. Does that say? Oh, it says Pom Pom. I thought it said something else. Oh, poop. I'm taking Chicory or Chicory or Shakery or whatever it's called right here. I think what I'm going to do now is take that shade from the Too Faced palette, Chocolate Bonbon one. I absolutely love this palette. I'm taking this shade, which is Bordeaux, firstly on kind of the lash line, and then I'm going to move it up into the outer corner and then the outer V, and then I'm going to just blending out this colour here so it's like seamless and beautiful. But I gotta say, I'm loving this freaking colour combo. Okay, so the inner corner is pretty dark, so I'm gonna start packing. Oh, she's pretty. Packing on. I get so excited over eyeshadow. Oh my god, I'm just running the crease. Oh my god. Nope, nope, nope. Be gone. Wowzers. Okay, I'm sweating. So I'm just going to take this gold shade from the Morphe palette. What's the name called? I've lost the sheet. It's gone under my Duchess, but this one here. I'm going to take the red shade we used from the Morphe palette to go over the gold, and I'm going to use Bordeaux. I just want to softly go over it first before I go in and use a ton of like dark colours. To Bordeaux now, I'm just going to pack a little bit more on the outer corner and inner corner because that light red shade did take away some of that dark colour. And what I will do is carefully and lightly use this very small end with Bordeaux above the light shimmer colour to try and define it a little bit more. Now I think I'm going to take a Super Shock shadow from the Christmas collection from Colourpop. If you want to see a review on this, link will be below. Did a review on it. I think I'm going to take just the champagne colour and really put it on the middle because the other colours are just too dark for this yellow colour. Hoping you can't really hear the fan, but if you can, I apologise. It's really flipping hot. It's like 41 degrees in here. Now I'm going to move on to foundation, primer and that kind of thing. I did forget to do mascara, so I'm going to just quickly pop some on now. This is the Bourjois Adjustable Volume Mascara. Moving on, primer I'm not even sure if I need to use for this, but I will just add a little bit of the Blemish Buster Acne Fighting Primer from Australis, just because I have a few pimples at the moment and I want them gone. For the foundation, I'm using my Lastic Finish Breathable Foundation from Rimmel. I think I'm going to take the Real Techniques buffing brush, or should I use this one? No, I'll use the Chi Chi flat top angled foundation buffing, whatever the heck it's called, brush. It's really spiky. It's not very soft on your face, but it looks flawless when you use foundation. For concealer, I'm taking my Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. It looks a lot something like that. I want to use a softer brush for under my eyes just because it's a delicate area. So I'm taking my Real Techniques buffing brush. So I'm going to be taking for under my eyes the Insta Fixin' Matte from Rimmel, and I would usually use my sponge, but I can't be really bothered to get it out, so I'm going to pack the brush with this product. This is just a under eye setting powder brush from Real Techniques. Now I'm going to be taking the Clear Complexion from Rimmel with the same brush because I want to try and be as precise as possible. Reindeer antlers come through. Oh, they're not going to really do much, but they look cute. So now we're going to move on to bronzing. Bronzer, 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 where are you at? This is the L'Oreal Back to Bronze Bronzer. Am I filming? Oh, thank God. Bronzing brush, where are you at? Hello, hello. Have you disappeared? Excuse me. So I'm kind of just going to do what I would normally do and blend it all over, and then I'm going to take a makeup pad and just wipe it off afterwards, like the outside part. Now blush, I'm using my Essence blush. That's the little collection they released called the Wanted Sunset Dreamers Fading Blush. It looks like this. It's in the shade Rise to Sunset. Now for contour, I'm taking my Australis AC on Tour contour palette. I really prefer this over the NYX one, and I will always repurchase this. Mixing these two shades, they don't have a name, but whatever. Taking my contour brush, I believe is what it is, sculpting brush from Real Techniques, and I'm dabbing into those two colours. Okay, so what is left? I think we're actually done. What am I talking about? Jesus, take the wheel. Highlighter, idiot. I forgot to get the one I want, so I'm just going to use my Too Faced Candlelight Glow. My Real Techniques fan brush. I'm really preferring fan brushes at the moment, and I'm applying this right up here. So there's that. Now I just have to wipe away the excess and shade the lines, and I think I'm going to cut that part because this video is already gone. So I did clean it up, and now I'm just going in with the dark contour colour just as like the base shadowing. It's like painting. You have to start with the basics first before you go and define. And so I'm just kind of like blending it out so it looks darker this side of my face compared to the mask a little. So what I think I'm going to do now is get some kind of brown eyeshadow or something that's like meant to be pigmented. Okay, so I blended all this, I've added eyeshadow onto here, and now it's just time for the lipstick. So this is the Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Exposed. We're all done, I think. Are we? So this comes to the end of this video. Holy heck. Is it better than Nikki Tutorials? No. I really am in love with the eyeshadow. I hope you guys like what I ended up creating. Again, I know the blending could have been better. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did and you're around here, hit the subscribe button to see more of my videos, and stay tuned for my Christmas video. Sorry, I get really excited when I mention anything to do with Christmas. I'll catch you all next time in my next one.